In the introduction, we briefly discussed the definition of chemical engineering in a simple summary. But now, we have to start going into details. You see, chemical engineering involves a lot of different elements that, combined, form an extraordinary big picture that we experience in our day-to-day activities. In this video, I will try to digest how chemical engineering is vital to the industries which are running in various areas. Chemical engineering is crucial because it helps optimize and design industrial processes that produce a wide range of products we use every day, such as fuels, pharmaceuticals, food, and plastics. By applying the principles of chemistry, physics, and mathematics, chemical engineers can develop efficient and cost-effective processes that maximize yields, minimize waste, and ensure safety. In short, chemical engineering is vital in shaping the world we experience today. Often students are just diving into studying this course without truly knowing what it is all about or where they may end up. This is where an individual would need to research and explore more about this area and its application. Afterward, look deep inside yourself and what pricks your interest or doesn't, and then continue from there. Today, I would like to give you a sneak peek into the various industries that include chemical engineering applications and how some of the knowledge from this part of engineering is in them. Let us start with the pharmaceutical industry. In the pharmaceutical industry, it is essential to have accuracy and precision when mass-producing medicine because any imbalance in the mixing, making, or packaging could render the drug ineffective or lethal when taken. Everything from drug discovery and identification to drug development, testing, and production needs to be constantly monitored and optimized for better efficiency. In essence, this is why there is a need for chemical engineers in this field. Based on the knowledge that they obtain, chemical engineers are expected, amongst other things, to maintain fragile machinery, run complex reactions in reactors, design the pharmaceutical process of drugs, and control and optimize the entire process to guarantee the economic viability and safety of the employees in the plant. The drugs produced must be of a specific purity and a specified consistency. The entire process must be efficient and contain the flexibility to be upscaled from a small to a large batch. In this industry, some of the skills that a chemical engineer has to utilize but are not limited to are mass transfer, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, plant design and operation, economics, heat transfer, and plant safety. In the food industry, there are many units that food processing consists of. Depending on the product of interest, the process of manufacture may include mixing, separation, distillation, heating, and fermentation connected in several complicated ways. They would need to be under constant monitoring in the same way as previously discussed in the pharmaceutical industry. There must be rigorous protocols for efficiency and safety must be put in place at all times to avoid subpar food products or, in the worst-case scenario, infected and poisonous food. When it comes to the agricultural side of things like pesticides, fertilizers, and treated seeds need to be manufactured in large quantities to meet the demand. Every one of them must also meet the standard of the product, and the failures must be kept to a bare minimum. To achieve all these requirements, there is a demand for chemical engineers who can likewise design, implement, operate, and optimize the processes for all these products. As they work with everyone involved in this process and the plant, they must also ensure everyone is safe and the environment is left uncompromised. Even in these times, environmental impact is one of the biggest concerns of the new industrial being constructed. Clean energy is a top priority as well. I digress with this, but the main point is that there is a need to make sure that the plants for each product or process must meet the needs and be optimized to bring the best efficiency without affecting the integrity of the product, the safety of people, or the environment in which the plant is in. On the job, these engineers must be on the lookout for new technologies that help the process become better and reduce environmental issues and toxic waste. The new or further topics of interest are clean energy from food processing waste, bioremediation, and utilization of byproducts into new products. Another industry we are going to discuss is the petroleum industry. According to the American Chemical Society, the petroleum industry has two areas: upstream activities, which include exploration and production, and downstream activities, which include refining and marketing. Based on an article titled, "Where do chemical engineers fit into the upstream oil and gas industry?" linked in the description below, chemical engineers can be in either of the two parts of the industry, since there is still a need to extract and refine the oil into products that meet energy needs. For further exploration of this industry, I have provided some links that may give you an idea of how chemical engineering applies to the petroleum industry. The petroleum industry also involves thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer. There are many other industries that I did not mention, including but not limited to cosmetics, mining, clean energy, hydrogen production, and outer space exploration that have branches of chemical engineering within them. It is now up to you as a future chemical engineer or the curious mind to go and explore what intrigues you. Please note, I did not exhaust all the industries where chemical engineering is applied because there is so much more out there waiting to be discovered. In the upcoming videos, various topics from chemical engineering will be selected and discussed in detail to help understand them better. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you have a better idea of why we have chemical engineering and how it is applied in various places. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can join me in the next one. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more knowledge sharing. Until next time.